Now you obviously won't start the game with all the weapons, so you may very well start the game just with the knife. So the other ones need to show a blank box. So under the assets and graphics GUI, I've actually given you a blank graphic. So what we're going to do is let's take the knife image to begin with. I'm going to duplicate this one, Control D. Let's just call this one knife blank. And then we can drag this GUI blank on top. Okay, and bear in mind that that renders above everything else. So let's do the same with the bat. So the bat image, just duplicate, so it's bat blank. And then obviously blank image. Where are we? Axe, duplicate, axe blank. And just the blank image in there. And then finally for the gun. And bear in mind that we don't need any buttons for these blank images. So gun blank, and let's just drag the blank in there. Alright, so now you've got no weapons. So what we want to do inside of the code is basically switch these blank images off to display what's underneath those, whether it's knife image and knife button together, so that you can then select them. Okay, so we're going to do that in code. So let's open the inventory script again. Okay, and what we're going to do at the top, I'll actually keep, I'll put a note, invisible in inspector. And then obviously at the top, visible in inspector. Keep everything nice and organized. They are going to be game objects, so I can just copy this first field and then paste. So this is actually going to be a game object. What it's going to be is knife image, and the next one is going to be knife button. Okay, can take both of those, Control and C to copy, and then paste. That'll be for the bat, axe, and gun. Okay, so this is going to be bat image and bat button. This is going to be for the axe image and axe button. So as you can see, a great deal of coding is just copying and pasting, really. Axe image and axe button. Now, if I take these two, Control and C, and paste those in. Oh, sorry, I've called them axe, haven't I? Again, so that should be gun on the bottom. Gun image and gun button, rather. These on the bottom should be knife blank. This one should be bat blank. Copy these two and paste. And now we have axe blank and gun blank. So as long as we can associate all of those elements with the script, we can now obviously switch those on and off when needed. So let's just save this and go back to our canvas. Okay, now we can see we've got loads and loads of slots. So knife image in the first one, knife button, so let's just associate everything. Bat image, bat button, axe image, axe button, gun image and gun button. And now obviously for the blanks at the bottom here, so knife blank, bat blank, axe blank and gun blank. Alright, so now we've got those. Now we need a way to actually tell Unity whether we have those weapons or not. So to do that we can use the save script. So we're going to create some public statics. So public static, and it's simply a boolean, bool, and we'll call it have knife equals, let's say that we have to begin with true. Okay, so let's just copy that and paste, paste and paste. So obviously this is avbat, avaxe, and avgun. Oops, if I can spell. And let's just say that all of these are false to begin with, so just false. Let me just copy that and paste and paste. Alright, so that's a way in which we can tell the game what weapons we actually have. Okay, so in the inventory script we have these public methods: choose knife, choose bat, choose axe, choose gun, but we also need to do some kind of an inventory check to see if we actually have any of these weapons. So that's what we're going to do in the next video.